Luc Bouchard here, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration, card draw, and reading. I forgive myself for believing that I'm in a dream. What is reflected back to you in this dream is but a manifestation of what you believe about yourself. So whatever is showing up in your life is a mirror of your thoughts and beliefs. Until we accept this, peace will be elusive and we will continue to experience suffering and loss. For as the Course says, the secret to salvation is but this, that you are doing this onto yourself. Yeah, I really like this. I really enjoyed this concept that everything that I experienced in this life is, a manifestation of my own belief system. This one pisses me off, like some other ones, because I don't want to believe that. I don't want to believe that whatever's coming my way is basically I'm doing it to myself. I don't want to believe that my knee, which seems to be getting better, is a manifestation of my belief system, or that when something not great happens, it is part of I'm doing it to myself. So some of these reductions, even though I wrote them, come easier than others, and then there's ones that just kind of like, okay, I was inspired to write it. Doesn't mean I get it. Doesn't mean I understand it. I can certainly put an image around it, like with this one, which is, of this fall day last year on this perfectly flat pond that had these weeds coming out of it. And I love this image. I love how great the reflection is. And if I turn this image upside down, I bet you it would be hard to really tell which is the water and the weeds and which is the reflection, because it's just absolutely flat. I'm Luc Bouchard. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I just really encourage you to remember that this is a dream and that our separation from God is not real, that we think we're separated and we're not. And how do we end the separation? Well, stop believing what you're seeing around you. Understand that it is just an external, it's a projection of an internal perception. What we see out there is really what we believe. And you don't have to believe it. You just have to be willing to believe it, because our part is very little when it comes to what the Course says. Is all we have to do is have willingness to actually see it differently. The rest is taken care of. We don't have to do anything else besides having an authentic desire to see it differently, and it will come to us. But we have to stop and we have to go, wait a minute, is this true? Is this real? And we actually have to do our work on that, because it's not going to be handed to us. We have to be prepared to do some work on this. Until the next reduction, I'm Luc Bouchard. Thanks so much, and God bless.